Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel dedicated to all things corner shelf decoration. Here we will guide you through the art of transforming those often overlooked corners into stylish and functional spaces. Join us as we share creative tips, insightful tutorials, and inspiring ideas to help you make the most of your corner shelves. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or just starting out, our channel offers something for everyone. Discover clever storage solutions, unique ways to display your favorite items, and expert advice on arranging decor elements to achieve a balanced and visually appealing look. We will explore different styles from minimalist and modern to rustic and eclectic, ensuring there's something to suit every taste and home decor aesthetic. Our video will walk you through step by step projects where we will demonstrate how to build custom corner shelves, paint and finish them, and add personalized touches. We will also showcase various materials, finishes, and accessories that can enhance the overall appeal of your corner shelf setup. Join our vibrant community of fellow decor enthusiasts and engage in conversations with like minded individuals who share your passion for interior design. We will answer your questions, provide personalized advice, and address common challenges encountered when working with the corner shelves. Whether you are seeking inspiration for a specific room, such as the living room, bedroom, or kitchen, or you are simply looking to refresh the overall ambience of your home, our channel is your go-to resource. With our guidance and expertise, you will unlock the potential of those often neglected corners. Subscribe to our channel today and embark on a journey of creativity, innovation, and artistic